What's up, guys? Interested in learning how to grow your Instagram account? What happened? Oh yeah, up 0 subscribers. I have an Instagram account that is currently at 2,500 followers, which isn't too much, but I was on and off about it, but it was pretty fun growing it. It was pretty much my kind of first experience with feeling almost like an influencer. But anyways, welcome to my meme page on Instagram. You can make your page about anything depending on what you're really into, pretty much. I just decided to go with memes. What can I say? I'm a funny guy. You can make one about business, motivation, working out, or video games. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you guys how I first started Instagram and everything that I did in the beginning. I started first with creating my username. As you can see here, I went with Silly Little Investor. You have to make your username simple, nice, and catchy. And then after getting my username, I came up with a crappy profile pic. I didn't really know what I was doing, as you can see, but I do recommend using this app called Canva in order for you to make your profile pic and hopefully make it better. But then of course you shouldn't expect too much of it if it's gonna be pretty much your first profile pic that you've ever made on using an app. You can just use a picture on the internet or something that you like and pretty much make edits to it and make it your own unique version. And after that, you can start with the content. You can either make your own content or you can repost videos like I do. Posting your own content will pretty much likely get you closer to your audience. I'd say reposting videos, kind of like I do, won't get you as close to your audience, but it will likely be easier to getting content out there. Or you can just do both if you want to figure out how to do all that and stuff. I use this one app called Repost. Also, I'd like to mention that everything that I'm mentioning here is possible just with your phone. You don't need anything. You don't need your computer or something like that, just your phone. But anyways, the app Repost allows you to pretty much repost any video that you want on Instagram. But of course, don't forget to give credit to whoever you take it from, because that doesn't seem right, you know? You don't want to just take people's videos and not mention them at all, you know? And I also do pay $2, around $2 I think, weekly in order for this app to work pretty much its best. Because if you get the free version, I think you're gonna have like a limit, and that limit is not the best, so it probably won't work that properly. I post about 3 to 6 times a day, and if you want your videos to have like pretty much a lot more chance in blowing up, you might want to add tags in there. I also created bubbles like these in order to show you a little bit more like my behind the scenes of I guess stuff I do on Instagram, and also my growth. Once you have this knowledge pretty much down, all you gotta do is stay consistent and post daily until eventually your videos start kind of blowing up. While your videos are blowing up, that's when you'll start noticing that you're getting a bunch of followers and stuff. If you want to check out my growth, you can just click on the growth bubble that I have, and you'll be able to see from when I started at 0 followers all the way into my current amount of followers that I have right now. I am still planning on growing this account until I am eventually able to do affiliate marketing, which means that I will be likely selling someone else's courses, maybe someone else's product, or if not, I'll probably end up selling my own product and stuff. Maybe I can make a clothing brand, pretty much stuff like that. It's usually the beginning that gets sometimes a little bit tough to get through these things that you're barely learning on Instagram. I mean, you're pretty much confused on every single thing because you don't know how to do it. But yeah, I do recommend doing research about the little things that you are confused about when you're going through this process. So I'm pretty much showing you the main parts in creating this Instagram account, but the little things are important too. Anyways, that's pretty much it for me. This video is gonna be really short. I'm just trying to get the most content that I can out there in order for you guys to find my channel a lot easier, because that's pretty much how it works, you know? You post the most videos that you can, and the more the better. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.